friends! This is KiddyXYZ. Learn, play, and smile. Let's learn A to Z trucks and what each one does.
A is for ambulance. It helps people by taking them safely to the hospital. B is for bulldozer. It pushes heavy dirt to make the ground flat. C is for crane. It lifts things way up high to build tall towers. D is for digger. It digs deep holes for pipes and building foundations. 1, 2.
E is for excavator. It scoops and moves dirt to make space for building.
F is for fire truck. It sprays water to stop fires safely. G is for garbage truck. It keeps our city clean and shiny. H is for helicopter. It flies up high to see what's happening below. I is for ice cream truck. It brings yummy treats on sunny days.
J is for jackhammer truck.
It breaks old roads so new ones can be built.
K is for KiddyXYZ builder van. It carries tools and helpers to build houses.
L is for loader. It lifts and moves things from one place to another.
M is for mixer. It spins and mixes cement to build strong walls. 1, 2, 3.
N is for nightlight truck. It lights up work at night safely.
O is for oil truck. It delivers fuel to help other machines run. P is for police truck. It helps keep everyone safe and sound.
Q is for quarry dump truck. It moves rocks from mountains to builders. R is for road roller. It makes roads smooth for cars to drive. S is for snow plow. It pushes snow away to clear safe roads. T is for tow truck. It helps cars that can't drive on their own. U is for utility truck. It fixes wires to keep lights shining.
V is for vacuum truck. It cleans roads and makes them sparkle.
W is for water truck. It sprays water to keep the roads clean. X is for X-ray builder van. It checks inside walls to keep buildings strong.
Y is for yard truck. It moves building stuff neatly around the yard. Z is for zoom truck. It goes fast, but always safe and smart. Great job, Builder Buddies! Learn safely. Like, share, and subscribe to KiddyXYZ.